Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are going to unbox and review the Erabros Ls1, a robotic vacuum cleaner that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. So join me as I dive deep into its features and performance to see if it lives up to the hype and get all your questions answered. So with no further ado, let's get straight to it. First up, let's talk about design. As you can see, this robot vacuum has a really nice design and a bit similar to others. But as you can see, this is the water tank, as I wasn't aware about it first time, but here where you put the water, and this is the pad that cleans using the water inside, which is really well integrated in this vacuum, and I was really impressed by this design. And this is, as you can see, the docking station or the charging station, and it was super easy to connect it to the app. It took less than a minute. It was super easy and straightforward, and that's pretty much it about the first impression about this vacuum. So now let's talk about navigation. The Ls1 boasts 360-degree LiDAR navigation, which means it can map out your entire home quickly and efficiently. No more bumping into furniture or missing those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, with precision home mapping, this little robot knows exactly where it's been and where it needs to go, which is really impressive and really nice compared to some robot vacuums that I have reviewed before. This one seems definitely more advanced compared to previous robot vacuums that I have reviewed. And for all you pet owners out there, the Ls1 is a game changer for you. With its powerful brushless motor and tangle-free suction port, it easily picks up fur, dust, and debris without getting clogged up. So you definitely gotta say goodbye to these annoying cleaning sessions just to unclog your vacuum. And that's not all, there is more. The Ls1 isn't just a vacuum. It's also a mop with 3-in-1 modes, including vacuum only, mop only, and vacuum and mop combo. You can tackle any mess with ease, knowing that you have this Ls1 on your side, and thanks to adjustable suction power and water speed, you can customize your cleaning experience to fit your needs. Now let's talk about control. So whether you are tech savvy or prefer simplicity, the Ls1 has you covered. With full-featured 2 Smart Life app control, voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, and a user-friendly remote control, you can clean your home however you like, whenever you like. And for those tricky areas you don't want the Ls1 to go, no problem. Simply set up forbidden zones via the app to keep it away from places like carpeted areas or toy-filled rooms. It's like having your own personal cleaning assistant that listens to you and does just whatever you tell it to do. Last but not least, let's talk about cleaning modes. So whether you need a quick spot clean or a deep mopping session, the Ls1 has you covered. With various cleaning modes including auto clean, room clean, zoom clean, spot clean, schedule cleaning, and Y pattern deep mopping, you can tackle any mess with ease, and as you can see, it definitely does a great job and it cleans in a really fast and efficient way. At the end, I would say that the Erabros Ls1 is definitely a great robot vacuum that I would recommend to anyone who's looking for their future robot vacuum. It imposes itself in the world of robotic vacuum cleaners without any doubt. So, with its advanced features, powerful performance, and ease of use, it's sure to make your cleaning routine a breeze. That's everything I have for you about today's product. I hope you guys find this video helpful and useful and helped you decide whether it's the best option for you. I will leave a link in the description if you are interested in getting yours and take advantage of all that it has to offer. And also consider hitting the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or concerns about this product, drop them down below in the comments section. See you in the next one. Peace.